Hey guys, on today's video, I wanted to talk about two cards that can help you build credit fast in 2022 because as we all know, credit plays a big role in our lives since we need credit for just about everything. So on this video, I'll be talking about a very popular credit card known as the Chime Credit Builder card, as well as the Extra Debit Card, which is a credit building debit card. I've done reviews on both these cards in the past, but on this video, I wanted to compare them both and help you guys determine which card is a better option for building credit. So by the end of the video, you should know what both of these cards have to offer, how to build credit with them, and how to earn a free $100 with one of them. So to begin with, let's talk about the Chime Credit Builder card. This is a credit card offered by Chime, which is a financial technology company that provides free mobile banking services through Bancorp and Stride Bank, who are FDIC insured on up to $250,000, which means your money with Chime is safe and secure. Now, the Chime Credit Builder card is a secured credit card and it requires no credit in order to get it, which means you can have bad or no credit at all and still qualify for this card and build credit with it. Now, although this card is a secured credit card, it works a little different than a traditional secured credit card works, and that's because with traditional secured credit cards, there's usually a minimum security deposit requirement in order to get the card, and with the Chime Credit Builder card, there isn't, which is something that's pretty unique. Now, the way this card works is that you'll need to deposit money into the card in order to use it, but the option is yours on how much money you want to deposit. The amount of money you deposit into the card each time will be your credit limit, which is the amount that you're gonna have available to spend on the card. For example, if you deposit $200 into your card, then those $200 will be the amount that you can spend. In other words, your credit limit. So with this card, you're pretty much setting money aside in advance to pay your credit card bill once it's due. Once you make some purchases using the card, you can then pay for those purchases using the money you deposited, or you can turn on a feature called Safer Credit Building, which will allow Chime to use your deposit to automatically pay your monthly balances once they're due. So as long as you're paying your balances on time, those on-time payments will be reported to all three major credit bureaus, which will in return help you build credit fast. Moving forward, this card comes with no fees at all. That includes no annual fee, interest, overdraft, foreign transaction fee, or monthly fees. Plus, you'll get access to over 60,000 fee-free ATMs where you're going to be able to withdraw money and make free cash deposits at over 8,500 Walgreens stores. On top of that, Chime offers a free mobile app where you'll be able to access your entire account and do things like add money, send and receive money, deposit checks, pay bills, find ATMs near you, and so much more. Lastly, in order to get the Chime Credit Builder card, you're going to need to first sign up for a Chime spending account, which is simply a checkings account where you can deposit or withdraw money at any time. Once you have your spending account, you'll need to set up direct deposit and receive $200 or more in total direct deposits within a specific time frame. But the awesome news is that Chime is currently offering $100 when you open an account and you set up direct deposit. So if you're interested in getting this card, building credit, and getting yourself a free $100, then make sure to sign up using the link down in the description or in the comment section before the promotion ends. Another thing I wanted to add on is that setting up direct deposit will not only give you access to the Chime Credit Builder card, but it will also give you the ability to get paid up to 2 days early and the ability to overdraft on up to $200. Plus, you can actually upgrade your Chime Credit Builder card to a limited edition metal version. That way you can build credit in style. So I'll be leaving a link on how to get the metal version of this card down in the description for those that are interested. Moving on to the Extra Debit Card, this card is the first debit card that helps you build credit plus earn rewards just like a credit card does. This card is mostly designed to help people build credit without getting into debt, as well as help those who want to build credit but can't really get a credit card due to no credit or bad credit. Therefore, this card is not like your average debit card since most debit cards don't offer credit building, rewards, and even less allow you to connect your debit card with any bank you choose. You heard that right. With this card, you'll be able to build your credit history without worrying about hidden fees, high interest, or debt. Plus, you'll be able to connect your card with any bank you want instead of one specific bank, which is pretty unique. Extra is actually compatible with over 10,000 banks across the US, so you won't have a problem connecting your bank with this card. Speaking about banks, Extra is not a bank, but they are partnered partnered with Evolve Bank and Trust, who are FDIC insured, which means your money will be safe and secure with Extra. Not just that, but the Extra Debit Card comes with security features such as fraud alerts, real-time notifications, plus they handle disputes and fraud cases without your bank getting involved. Now, when you apply for this card, they won't check your credit score in order to approve you, so you don't really need to worry about any hard pulls. Once you sign up for the card, you're going to need to connect your existing bank account to the card, and based on your bank balance, they'll give you a spending limit. In other words, a credit limit for your Extra Debit Card. Now, in order to build credit with this card, you'll simply need to spend money on everyday purchases using the card, and when you use the card, Extra will spot you for those purchases and automatically pay themselves back the next business day. For example, if you spend $100 on Monday, Extra will pay for those purchases, and the next business day, Tuesday, they'll take out those $100 from your bank account. Think of it as a regular debit card where if you spend money, it automatically gets taken out of your bank account. The only difference is that Extra takes the money the day after. This method is great for building credit because this will ensure that you are not behind on payments, which will prevent you from getting into debt. And it also helps you establish a great payment history as well as maintain a low credit utilization, since every purchase you make gets paid off the day after. And this is important because both payment history and credit utilization makes up 65% of your overall credit score. So using this card will help your credit score by a lot. Now, at the end of the month, every purchase you make using your Extra Debit Card will be totaled up and reported to the credit bureaus as credit-worthy on-time payments, and those on-time payments will obviously help you build credit. With this card, you'll also be able to earn rewards as mentioned earlier, and that includes earning 1% cash back in points on everyday purchases such as ride shares, coffee, and your phone bills. And you can redeem your points at the Extra Reward store for things like AirPods, gift cards, and other things. Lastly, this card has a monthly subscription cost where they offer 2 plans and give you the option to either pay monthly or annually. The first and most popular plan is called Rewards Plus Credit Building, which includes the ability to build credit, monitor your credit score, earn points on every purchases you make, as well as exclusive access to Extra's reward shop. This plan can cost you $12 a month or $108 a year, which turns out to be $9 monthly. The second plan they offer is called Extra Credit Building, which only includes the ability to build credit and monitor your credit score, but this option goes for only $8 monthly or $84 yearly, which turns out to be $7 monthly. So both plans offer the ability to build credit and monitor your credit score, which is the whole point of getting this card to begin with. The only difference is that the more expensive plan allows you to earn rewards and have access to their reward shop. Now, although this isn't ideal and a lot of people won't want to pay to use a debit card to build credit, the truth is that this is the way for this company to make their money, since they're offering a product that no one else is offering. Plus, not only do they not charge hidden fees or interest unlike credit card companies do, but it's a debit card that allows you to build credit just like a credit card does, minus the risk of getting into debt. So again, it's a pretty great product and option for those who can't get a credit card but are interested in building credit, or even for those who would like to build credit but not get into debt with credit cards. All in all, both the Chime Credit Builder card and the Extra Debit Card offer a lot, but in my opinion, the Chime Credit Builder card would be a better option for building credit, assuming that you're able to set up direct deposit with this card. And that's because the Chime Credit Builder card charges no fees at all, and it comes with a bunch of free benefits and tools to help you build credit, as well as a generous $100 welcome bonus without a membership requirement, unlike the Extra Debit Card. All right, so now that you know what the Chime Credit Builder card and the Extra Debit Card have to offer and how to build credit with both of these cards, I love to know what you guys think about both of them down in the comment section. With that being said, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hug the like button, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, that way you don't miss out on any future uploads, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.